Welcome back to MotoNova, the place where every ride feels like the future calling. And today, we've got something you'll want to hear about, the brand new Suzuki GSX-8R Kiiro Limited Edition. This bike is more than just a special paint job or a collector's tag. It's Suzuki showing the world how limited editions should really be done. And wait till the end, because Suzuki has slipped in something with this bike that could hint at a much bigger surprise coming soon. First off, let's talk about that design. The Kiiro, which means yellow in Japanese, comes wrapped in a striking pearl yellow finish with deep black accents that make it look fast, even when it's parked. The aggressive fairing, the aerodynamic cuts, and the sharp tail section all give it this fighter jet stance that screams performance. Up front, the dual LED headlights have been reshaped into a Hawkeye glare, giving it a look that feels alive, like it's staring right through you. Underneath the bodywork sits Suzuki's parallel twin engine pumping out around 83 horsepower, but tuned to deliver sharper mid-range grunt. That means instant pull when you twist the throttle, and a top end that doesn't disappoint. Performance-wise, it feels crisper than the standard GSX-8R, like Suzuki sprinkled a little track DNA into this limited edition. And here's where it gets even more fun. Suzuki tweaked the suspension for a more planted ride, added a quick shifter as standard, and fine-tuned the exhaust note so it growls louder, meaner, and deeper than the base model. For riders who want something that's not just powerful but truly responsive, the Kiiro is built to thrill. Now, off-road features? Look, this isn't an adventure machine, but with its agile frame, wider handlebars, and updated traction control, it can handle more than just smooth tarmac. Think urban potholes, twisty back roads, or even a bit of gravel without breaking a sweat. It's a street fighter at heart, but with just enough balance to give you confidence wherever the road bends. Inside the cockpit, the updates continue. The TFT dash gets a custom yellow Kiiro startup animation. The switchgear feels more premium, and the ergonomics are just a touch more rider-focused. Subtle details, but they make this bike feel like it was crafted, not just assembled. And what about price? Since it's a limited edition, you're looking at something around $11,000 to $12,000, a little more than the standard GSX-8R. But you're paying for exclusivity, the custom touches, and that feeling of owning something only a handful of riders in the world will ever have. Compared to the base GSX-8R, the Kiiro feels sharper, louder, and way more special. It's like Suzuki took a solid middleweight sport bike and dialed it up with attitude, exclusivity, and a collector's edge. But here's the real kicker. Suzuki insiders are whispering that this limited edition isn't just a one-off. It might actually be a test bed for an even bigger launch coming in 2026. And if that's true, the Kiiro isn't just a limited edition, it's a clue. The question is, what's Suzuki hiding behind this yellow beast? Stick around with MotoNova, because when that bombshell drops, you'll hear it here first.